Hello everyone, welcome to Appna College. Today, get ready for an exhilarating journey into the world of APIs. Now you might be asking yourself, what even are APIs and why should I even care about them? Well, think of APIs as the secret sauce behind the functionality of apps like Zomato, Uber, and Ola. Can you imagine a world without the ability to order a ride or get your food delivered? Pretty mind-boggling, right?
Oh wow, I never thought about it that way. So APIs are like the magical bridge that connects all these apps together? It sounds fascinating already. But, how does Zomato actually get the food delivery info from Google Maps then?
Exactly. Think of it this way. When Zomato needs data from Google Maps, it doesn't just reach in and grab it. Instead, it sends a polite request through an API, almost like you're asking a friend to lend you a book from the library without having to actually go there. It keeps everything efficient and safe.
Ha ha ha, I love that. So it's like Zomato sending a friendly message saying, "Hey Google Maps, can you help me out here?" But what happens if Google Maps decides to say no? Is that even possible?
Great question. So here's how it works. Whenever Zomato makes a data request through an API, if it's approved, they get the data they need to process your order. Easy peasy. But if there's an issue, like maybe Google Maps is down or the API request doesn't meet the necessary criteria, Zomato simply cannot access those details.
Whoa, that's similar to when I try to load a web page and it pops up with 404 not found. Oh man, that's frustrating. So aren't there security measures set up for these kinds of API requests? How does that all work?
Absolutely. Think of APIs as having a security team on guard at the gates. They prevent unauthorized access to sensitive systems by ensuring that only approved and controlled requests are processed. It's like ensuring that only a select few can enter a packed concert venue, keeping things organized and secure.
Haha, a concert bouncer. So it's like they're saying, sorry, you can't get in. So are these APIs easy for developers to use? I mean, do they need to be like super tech savvy to figure this out?
Great thought. The beauty of APIs is that developers can leverage existing ones to enhance their applications instead of starting from scratch. For example, if you're creating an app that needs weather data, you don't have to gather all that data yourself. You can just use a weather API that provides all the info you need, like having a personal assistant.
Oh wow, that's such a time saver. So it's like using someone else's recipe instead of trying to cook from scratch? Can you share some specific APIs that are really popular among developers?
Absolutely. One such example would be APIs that facilitate booking vaccinations or sending real-time alerts through platforms like Telegram. They automate many processes based on existing government data, allowing developers to work smarter, not harder.
Wow, automation is like having a personal assistant who handles all the grunt work. Are these APIs safe though? Like, what if someone hacks into them? What happens to all that sensitive data?
That's an excellent concern. Security protocols are crucial for APIs, and while most implement robust protections, no system is entirely invulnerable. It's all about monitoring access and implementing strong security measures. Just like installing a security system at home, you want to ensure that your data stays safe from intruders.
Oh, got it. So there are always risks. But, with the right safeguards, those risks can be managed. This is a really intriguing topic. If someone wants to learn more about how to start using APIs in their projects, where would they find tutorials or guidance?
Absolutely. If any of our listeners are interested in diving deeper into using APIs for their projects, please let us know in the comments. There's a wealth of knowledge to explore in this exciting tech landscape. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next episode.
Yay, I can't wait to learn more. See you guys next time. Laughs.